Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my channel The Litbit. I am your host RJ and we are going to review the JBL Flip 5 today. First things first, let's see how the unboxing experience was for me. So the outer packaging looks like this, and the speaker itself, we get it in this styrofoam hard case, which is a good add-on I must say, as it makes carrying this speaker a hassle-free experience. Now let's put this case aside and look at the speaker itself. Although I must say this speaker on its own is a pretty rugged one and it should withstand some heavy falls. Coming to the physical features of this speaker, we can see that this is covered by the same wired mesh material as the Flip 4, and on the sides as well we get to see the hardened rubber which covers the newly improved passive radiators, which are supposed to be better than Flip 4. So on the back we get this loop, which is a very useful thing I must say, the Flip 5 branding, and two buttons, a power button and a Bluetooth button. So the placement of the Bluetooth button is changed this year. It was on top last year, but it is on the back now. On the side of it we get the LED indicator, which is a continuous LED this time, and we get an exposed USB Type-C port. This is a good add-on because I almost have all my chargers as USB-C. So we also get this USB Type-A to Type-C cable inside the box itself, which is a good thing. However, one thing I need to note here is that we do not get any headphone jack or auxiliary port on the back of this speaker. So you do not have an option to connect it using a wire. On the top, if we take a look at the buttons, on the left side we have the play and pause button. We can also forward the track and go to the previous track using a double tap and a triple tap respectively. Then we have the volume rockers, and at the end we have the party boost button. So JBL this time decided to launch a new way to connect JBL speakers to each other, which they are calling as party boost. This is supposed to be a little bit better than the Party Connect Plus that they had last time, but then it still makes the previous generation of JBL speakers unusable with this JBL Flip 5. So I think they should include the compatibility with the previous generation of JBL speakers, at least if they're planning to launch a new way to connect JBL speakers every year. Coming to the technical specs of this thing, we have a big change here as well. In the last generation, we had two 40mm drivers here, which gave us a total output of 16 watts. This year we have one large 80mm driver, which gives us a total output of 20 watts. So I should warn you that this is a pretty noticeable thing once you know this. So sorry for that. But if you keep it like this and if you are listening to it head on, then you can feel that the sound is slightly oriented towards the left where the 80mm driver is located. So JBL claims a 12-hour battery life for this, and in our testing I must say we got pretty close to it. I got around 9.5 to 10 hours of battery life out of this device. So the battery life is pretty good. The charging time has also reduced to 2.5 hours on this, which is a great add-on considering the improvement in battery life as well. Coming to the most important part of the video, the sound quality. So let me tell you that I am happily surprised by the sound quality and the loudness this speaker can output at this size. Despite having only one speaker, it sounds fuller and it has richer bass, and also it fills up a small room easily. I have pushed this speaker at 100% volume and it does not break the sound at that volumes as well. So the overall sound quality, I will rate this speaker a solid 8 out of 10. Now I will play some music that I have recorded on this speaker using this microphone. So please take it with a pinch of salt. I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid. So what do I think about this speaker? This is a very good speaker in this price segment. It has good features, a USB Type-C port, a good battery backup. The only disadvantage that I see with this speaker is the slightly left-oriented speaker setup, which is not a big deal for me because we are anyways going to keep the speaker at a distance from us. In that case, we are losing the stereo separation anyways. So I think you should go for it. Drop a like if you like this video and let me know what all things I can improve in such kind of videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.